Top 5 healthiest foods from Asia. Asian food on the whole is much more healthy than Western cuisine. With the lack of dairy, fat and additives, along with a focus on zingy flavor and fresh ingredients, it's easy to find healthy options on any Asian-inspired menu. 1. Stir-fry. A common dish in many Eastern Asian countries, a stir-fry is a tasty and healthy way of eating vegetables, since it involves minimal cooking and therefore keeps the vitamins and other nutrients. The sauce, vegetables and protein can vary, but most stir-fries will include ingredients such as ginger, chili, garlic, soy sauce and sesame oil. The quick frying also maintains the color of the ingredients, making it an attractive and appealing dish. 2. Japanese Korean sushi. While some varieties of sushi can be deep-fried, much of it is actually very healthy. The key ingredient in sushi is rice, which can be brown or white, and much if it comes with raw seafood, although much sushi is simply rice and vegetables. Since the seafood is raw, all the nutrients are preserved and not lost through a cooking process. Vegetable alternatives are also clearly as nutritious. Of course, strong flavors such as ginger, soy sauce or wasabi add some spice and additional flavor. 3. Thai green curry. While outside of Thailand, green curry can be quite creamy and rich, the authentic Thai version of this popular dish is far more spicy and healthy. The main ingredients are a protein, often chicken or fish, vegetables, green curry paste, chilies, lemongrass, coriander, among other herbs and spices, and coconut milk. When served with rice or rice noodles, the dish can be filling without having to eat too much, with the lean meat or fish adding protein and energy. The coconut milk adds a touch of sweetness without adding too much fat to the dish. 4. Vietnamese Pho. Pho is essentially a noodle soup, made up of a usually meat-based broth with vegetables, herbs and spices. The meat is usually lean beef or chicken, or tofu is a common vegetarian replacement. The dish is heavy on protein and low in fat, making it a great source of energy, with the vegetables added some extra nutrition. Often in Vietnam it is eaten for breakfast, making it a great meal with which to start the day. Depending on the restaurant or area of Vietnam, pho can be made with different varieties or mixes of herbs, giving each a slightly different flavor. 5. Grilled fish. In much Asian cooking, fish is prepared on the grill, which is one of the healthiest ways to eat it. Grilling avoids too much grease or batter, and can take any extra fat away from the protein. Additionally, grilling allows for the fish to be cooked quickly, which maintains a fresh flavor. Grilled fish can be served with noodles, rice, in a broth, or with a simple salad, and is often coated in typical flavors including soy sauce, lemongrass or ginger. Fish that are common in East Asian cooking include salmon, tuna, tilapia, or sea bass.